Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can give Eloise her cake. It's her birthday today, March the 4th of March. Well, in this game, obviously it's not the 4th of March today, but you're just going to make a cake here using the cooking pot. Then you're going to go to the gear shop here. You can tell that it's her birthday, obviously. Get a cake, get your cake, and then you're going to feed Eloise here by pressing E. And you will get a level up lollipop. I think you can get more. I'm not sure if you give more like cakes maybe. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. And also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.